Enterprise number 750 grinder. It could be used for coffee, any type of animal cornmeal or animal feed. It could grind just about anything. Bones. Let's make bone meal. It's still functional. It's been changed around to accommodate a small motor, Kenmore motor. So it's got a 12-inch wheel instead of the original crank wheel, unfortunately. However, the cast iron body is still here. Again, it's a 750. It's a 6 inches in diameter across the top. It's 18 inches tall. If I do ship this, I'm going to try to dismantle it from this heavy board and, you know, take it off of that motor. Unless the buyer requests the motor, then the shipping will be more. This is the intriguing piece. You can still see it has some of the early paint trim. Of course, this is embossed. You can see the wing nuts have been snapped, as they often do. However, it does still open up. Some gentle tapping and some WD-40. This front plate will come off to reveal a clean piston, and I can't pull this plate out, but you can see the teeth in there. It does need cleaning. You know, it does work. I'm not going to plug it in for obvious reasons, but I did it one time after a few beers, and it did work. But you know, this nut does release. Right now it's finger tight. So again, it's number 750 Enterprise heavy duty grinder, up for auction. Very great displayable piece. Please bid to make it yours. Thanks very much for looking. Check out the pictures for close-up details too.